Hey, hey, Happy New Year. What is going on with y'all? How you doing? So you know who I am, Steph Stanford, because you're on my email list and I appreciate that. I'm doing some new cool stuff this year, so I wanted to tell you about it live. One thing I'm doing is called the Breakthrough Brunch Online. Breakthrough Brunch Online. Now, I created it because I got tired of seeing the same old crap and signing up for the same old crap and getting the same old crap. I got tired of signing up for all these webinars that's promised this, that, and the other. They sound great. You're going to learn all these tips, and really you just get general stuff and a sales pitch. I want somebody to really get it together, to pull some people online who can teach me something specific, really train me how to do something better right then so I can start using it right now. So I thought about, what do people need? What do people want to hear about? Well, I'll tell you what I want to know about. Three things. One, how to have a banging body. Because I keep working on it. I have highs and lows, but gosh, I need to know how to keep it consistent, how to make exercise a regular part of my life so I don't quit and so I stick to it. I got to really know how to transform my body in a way that a real girl can use. So I brought in a lady named Stephanie McLean. She's going to coach you and tell you how to do that. Now, I'm going to talk too. I'm talking about love. This time I'm talking to the single girls because I know single women want to know how to find the good men and how to get their attention and keep it. So I'm going to give a specific exercise that you can use right in that moment, starting today, to help you find more good men because there is no shortage. Say that again. There is no shortage. You just have to know how to look, where to look, and what to do when they show up. That's what I'm teaching. Now I'm bringing in a third lady, and she's going to teach about business, making money, how to get your hustle on. She's a lady who's incredibly successful. I'll announce her information later. But what I want you to know is she's going to teach you whether you have a business or you're just thinking of having a business. No matter what your status is, she's going to teach you how to make more money doing what you're good at. She's a beast. Y'all got to know, and I got to know. So anyway, Breakthrough Brunch Online, three amazing coaches. It's an hour and a half. You listen on your own couch. If you miss it, you can just listen to the recording, so that's cool. And I'm offering this for only $19.99. It's not some free webinar random. It is serious training. It's serious group coaching. It's serious specific exercises you can use today because that's what I need and that's what I want. So that's what I'm going to offer. So like I said, it's $19.99. It's Saturday, January 23rd from 10 to 11:30. If you can't make it, you get a recording. You get access to 3 live coaches. It's going to be awesome. You can even email your questions in before if you want to for the quick Q&A section. But I'm going to do something special just for my email list people because I appreciate you all. Now, everybody on Facebook, they're getting it for $19.99. You guys are getting it for $9.99. $9.99. That's it. So if this is for you, sign up. Check it out. The code is down below so you get your special discount and so is the registration link. So again, I really hope to see you at the Breakthrough Brunch Online because girl, I want you to have a breakthrough and I want one too. So I will see you there. I'm looking forward to it. And email me if you got a question or something you want to know about. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.